Welcome! If you use Telegram Web on your PC and want to keep your chat folders tidy, there's a new update that lets you easily exclude read chats from any folder. This means your folders can show only the conversations that still need your attention, making it easier to stay organized and focused. Let's walk through the steps to set this up. First, open Telegram Web in your browser and log into your account. Once you're in, look towards the top of the screen for the side menu where your folders are listed. Find the folder you want to adjust. Now, right-click on that folder. A small menu will appear. Choose the option labeled Edit Folder. Inside the folder settings, you'll see options to include or exclude certain chats. Look for the button that says Add Excluded Chats. Click on it, and you'll be presented with several options. Here's where the magic happens. Check the box next to Read. This tells Telegram to automatically exclude any chat that you've already read from appearing in this folder. After you've checked Read, don't forget to click Save. This final step applies your changes, and your folder will now only display chats that are still unread. No more clutter from conversations you've already checked, just the messages that still need your attention. This feature is perfect for anyone who wants to keep their messaging experience efficient, especially if you're part of many groups or channels. You can repeat these steps for any folder you have, customizing each one to fit your workflow. If you ever want to adjust which chats are included or excluded, just right-click the folder again and revisit the settings. Telegram Web makes it easy to update your preferences whenever you need. Try it out today and see how much simpler managing your chats can be. Stay organized, stay focused, and enjoy a cleaner Telegram experience on your PC.